Chattanooga Choo Choo.
Hey guys, this is Real Appalachia with Shane.
And Melody.
And today we're trying to beat the rain and get to watch a choo-choo.
Yes, that's right.
Not just any choo-choo, the Chattanooga Choo Choo.
Chattanooga Choo Choo. So excited for this. So excited to have you guys join us. So let's get on to it.
Yeah, it's Melody and Shane, and pray for no rain.
Yeah. Are y'all riding the Missionary Ridge Local?
As you can see, Randolph-Macon College. It's right there.
What? Hold on.
Man, that was fun.
Thank you. She gave me a kiss. Thank you.
The 11 o'clock Missionary Ridge Local is going to board right out these double doors. They will call you when they're ready to get you guys onto the train.
This is popular.
Was 300 sisters, and her boy that I moved 5.5 hours from North Carolina to be here, she come from Asheville down here when she was rescued by the museum. And we also got the strongest man in the world here, believe it or not, and that is our conductor, Mr. Taylor. That's several from Chattanooga, where she will run down on the highline. But also this is the end of our railroad because of this right here. Some of us are right down here. They're down here for me. You'll see a little bit of part right here. That is the end of our line. Now let's, by show of hands, need some volunteers. This turntable was fabricated, originally built in the golden age of American railroading in the days of steam. This turntable would originally be turned by hand, which is made out of force and steam.
General Beauregard. That's a good southern name for you.
Remind me where y'all were parked.
Well, that was a blast, was it not?
That was a blast. And we had the coolest, like, what was it, tour guide? Yeah.
I guess it wasn't the conductor, because the conductor was somebody else, but it was a guy that told us about the tour. Whatever. You're right.
Yeah, like a tour guide is what they call it, I think. Huckleberry, right?
Yeah, that's right. I forgot about that.
Yeah, so he said that actually the train that we were on was a vintage train, and that he found out after working there that his grandfather had been the conductor for that train, that exact train.
That is so bizarre.
I know, it was such a cool story, and he was a super cool guy. I would recommend that train ride to anybody.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Now we're going to check the little museum out that's attached with it too, and just show you guys around about that. So let's get on it.
Let's go.
Here's a museum, an exhibit building featuring Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum, the first 60 years. We'll check it out. I don't know.
He's into the O scale, and we talk about some big trains. I found a HOCL big boy train. Well,
The very thing I was going to do is climb on the equipment. Okay, get it to stop. Okay. Clear. That's thin.
Yeah, it's okay. You want color? Can you color?
This little dining car.
But not a track for wrecking trains. Evidently, we didn't place the charges far enough apart. This time, we'll blow out 2 8-inch gaps and leave a sleeper in between 20 inches long. When 350 tons of rolling freight
Wings and machines.
look at it. A locomotive has no steam. It's a good shove by a pusher engine and comes down the straight section of the track towards the gap, where something's gone wrong again. The tie under the 20-inch section gives a little, but it won't let go.
Oh, you can't beat that, a Studebaker.
It's on the passenger trains, right? Oh, there's the dinner train. Hi. If somebody's watching us, they might be on camera right now. We met somebody earlier on the train, the passenger train that watches us, right?
Yeah, that's right. That was a cool little trip to the museum too, wasn't it? Really
Yes.
nice there.
We had so much fun on the whole train experience thing.
The Chattanooga Choo Choo. Can you say choo choo?
Choo choo.
Choo choo.
Choo choo.
We can say
If
it.
you don't follow us, please do so. Share this video. We hope you guys liked it.
And we will.
See you on down the road.